So here is the problem. Camtasia hangs when editing videos recorded in Android or iPhone. Before I tell you the solutions, we need to understand why this happens. So reason why this happens is because the codec used in the mobile phones to make those videos are not compatible with the editing software like Camtasia. The problem is with codecs. Now how to fix this? To fix that, all you have to do is that change that codec. Now how you can do that? There are two ways in which you can do that. First solution is very simple. All you have to do is that once you record those videos in phone, you have to send it via WhatsApp or a Telegram account. You can send it to yourself. Then go to the desktop and download it. And then you can edit those videos. So basically in this process, what happens is that WhatsApp or Telegram app will transform the codec inside those videos. And then editing will be much easier in Camtasia or any other video editing software. The only drawback with this solution one is that the quality of the video may get degraded. Now we have got second solution as well. In the second solution, we have more control over the quality, and at the same time we can also change the codec as well. So most of the video editing softwares are compatible with the PNG codec. Okay, so PNG codec is the one that we have to use when we want to transform that video. So basically you have to use this FFmpeg software, and with the help of that you have to encode the video using PNG codec. Once the codecs are changed, then Camtasia is happy to edit those videos. That's it. Thanks for watching.